Hello, my name is Andrada. I'm a makeup artist and my age is 33 years old. Having great hair, it's definitely make me feel more confident, as when I look in the mirror, I like what I see. So obviously I'm thinking people will look at me. So if I know my hair looks gorgeous, I know I will look gorgeous in all their eyes. My general experience with the KERASILK products is amazing. I do love them. I feel my hair that is in the best possible way. I love the Repairing Shampoo as cleans my scalp really well. Every single time I use the shampoo, my scalp is getting more hydrated and my hair feels very fresh and smooth. The finishing cream is a game changer. I don't really have time to do my hair every single time. So in the morning when my hair is frizzy and I don't have time to do something what takes more time, I just rub it into my hands and my hair is ready in a minute. The textures is amazing. The shampoos have a silky texture which looks like pearl and feels nice when you use it. The recovery mask helped my hair from the damaged and my ends starting to look much more healthier and hydrated, and you can see a difference every single time I use the hair mask. I will really recommend KERASILK products to everyone, as using premium products at home make you feel so good and the hair looks amazing at your own comfort.